I will be traveling from India on 29th of July, and I'll be starting the ride on 3rd of August. So the ride will start from 3rd till 7th of August. So I'll be finishing the ride on 7th.
All the best.
The ride will start from London, and it will cross the entire state, and it will reach Edinburgh and come back to London again with a distance of 1530 kilometers.
Dr. Rahul Hegde is the first participant, and we are proud that he is the part of Propedalerz Cycling Club Margao, and he is representing Propedalerz Cycling Club in LEL London 2025.
On behalf of the Propedalerz, which is one of the oldest cycling clubs in Goa, I wish one of our members, Rahul Hegde, all the very best for this endurance ride. He has done a lot of endurance rides, regularly rides, and is one of the most consistent riders.